Are you struggling to get traffic to your Shopify store? Building an online store is exciting, but driving traffic can be tough. Today, we're diving into Shopify SEO optimization. Follow these steps to boost your store's visibility and attract organic traffic. First, understand why SEO is essential. Search engines help customers find products. Without SEO, your Shopify store may remain hidden. Think of SEO as your invisible marketing team, working 24/7 to get your products seen. Let's explore how to optimize your store. Start by researching relevant keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner for ideas. Focus on keywords your potential customers use. Next, optimize your product titles and descriptions. Include your target keywords naturally. Make each product's title concise and clear. Then, enhance your images. Use descriptive file names and alt text. This helps search engines understand your images, improving your chances of appearing in search results. Now, improve your URL structure. Use clean, readable URLs for each product. For example, use yourstore.com/product name instead of random characters. This enhances user experience and boosts SEO. Don't forget about internal linking. Connect your products, collections, and pages through links. This helps search engines navigate your store easily and keeps customers browsing longer. Consider adding a blog to your store. Share valuable content related to your products. Blogs enhance SEO and position you as an expert in your niche. Also, focus on mobile optimization. Ensure your site looks great on mobile devices. Most shoppers now use smartphones, and Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites. As a real-world example, let's look at a small fashion retailer. By applying these SEO tips, they saw a 200% traffic increase within 3 months. Their organic traffic soared, leading to more sales. In summary, Shopify SEO optimization is crucial for boosting traffic. Research keywords, optimize product titles, enhance images, and improve URLs. Don't forget to add a blog and ensure mobile friendliness. Ready to skyrocket your Shopify store? Start optimizing your SEO today. Visit our website for more detailed guides and resources. To fully embrace these strategies, it's vital to maintain consistency in your SEO efforts. Regularly updating your product descriptions, adding new blog posts, and staying informed on SEO trends will ensure that your store remains competitive in search rankings. Remember, SEO is not a one-time effort but an ongoing process that can significantly impact your sales and growth. It's essential to monitor your site's performance using tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. These platforms provide valuable insights into traffic patterns, keyword rankings, and user behavior. By analyzing this data, you can refine your strategies and identify areas that need improvement, ensuring your SEO efforts yield the best results over time. Embrace the journey of SEO optimization. As you implement these strategies, be patient and persistent. Effective improvements take time. Celebrate each milestone, whether it's gaining more site visitors or increasing sales, and stay committed to evolving your approach. With dedication and the right tools, your Shopify store can thrive amid competition, paving the way for long-term success. Your passion combined with strategic SEO will not only drive traffic but create lasting customer relationships, ultimately transforming your store into a go-to destination for shoppers. Now that you've laid a strong foundation, it's time to implement tracking methods to gauge success. Establish clear key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the effectiveness of your SEO strategies. Monitor metrics such as organic traffic growth, bounce rates, and conversion rates to understand your audience better. Insights gathered from these analytics will guide your future decisions, allowing you to pivot your approach to boost engagement and sales further. Regularly review your SEO performance and make necessary adjustments to stay ahead of competitors. Building a thriving Shopify store is a continual process of learning and adapting. Remain agile in your strategy and strive for continuous improvement. As you deepen your commitment to this endeavor, your efforts will ultimately result in enhanced visibility and success. Stay engaged with your audience by utilizing social media channels to promote your content. Share blog posts, showcase your products, and interact with potential customers to build brand loyalty and encourage traffic back to your Shopify store. Social media platforms can serve as powerful tools to extend your reach, creating buzz and directing users interested in your niche to explore your offerings. By cultivating a community around your brand, you not only foster customer connections but also enhance your SEO, as shared content can lead to external links and increased visibility. Keep your messaging consistent across all channels to create a strong brand presence. By implementing these strategies consistently, you will gradually see your Shopify store not just thrive, but also become a recognized name in your market, attracting loyal customers and increasing sales. In conclusion, the journey of Shopify SEO optimization is an evolving path that requires dedication, strategy, and adaptability. By diligently applying these principles, your store can enjoy increased traffic, improved visibility, and long-term success, establishing itself as a trusted destination for customers. Understanding your audience is vital for effective SEO. Dive into customer personas to grasp their needs, desires, and shopping habits. Tailoring your content resonates more with visitors, enhancing engagement and improving conversion rates. Leverage this knowledge to create targeted marketing campaigns, ensuring your Shopify store speaks directly to its intended clientele. As you implement these personalized strategies, you'll notice an increase in customer satisfaction and loyalty. Transform your audience insights into actionable steps that refine both your SEO and overall sales strategies. Now, let's delve into the technical side of your Shopify SEO. Begin with optimizing your site's loading speed. A fast-loading website enhances the user experience, keeping potential customers engaged. Use tools such as Google PageSpeed Insights to identify areas for improvement. Compress images, streamline code, and leverage caching to boost page load times. Remember, even a 1-second delay can lead to higher bounce rates and lost sales. With a swift and smooth user experience, you'll encourage visitors to explore your products and contribute to higher conversion rates. After optimizing your site's speed, let's focus on technical SEO elements that can further improve your online presence. Implement schema markup to provide search engines with detailed information about your products, enhancing visibility in search results with rich snippets. This can lead to higher click-through rates as users are drawn to visually appealing listings. Also, ensure your Shopify store has an XML sitemap, which aids search engines in indexing your pages more effectively. Regularly update this sitemap as you add new content or products, making sure that all valuable information is readily accessible for crawling. By paying attention to these technical aspects, you'll lay a solid groundwork for SEO success. Continue to enhance your SEO strategy by focusing on building high-quality backlinks. Reach out to industry influencers and bloggers, offering them valuable content or products in exchange for mentions or reviews. This not only boosts your store's credibility but also creates pathways for organic traffic from their audiences. Engage with online communities relevant to your niche, participating in discussions and providing insights that could lead to natural links back to your site. As your backlink profile grows, you'll establish authority in your market, making it easier for potential customers to discover your Shopify store. Consistently nurture these relationships, and don't hesitate to showcase your expertise through guest posts or collaborations, ultimately leading to increased traffic and stronger customer loyalty. Now that we've covered technical SEO and backlink strategies, let's explore the role of social proof in driving traffic to your Shopify store. Customer reviews and testimonials not only build trust but also influence purchasing decisions. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and showcase these prominently on your product pages. Implement a post-purchase email campaign that asks for feedback and highlights the importance of their opinion. Additionally, consider establishing a referral program, rewarding customers for sharing their positive experiences. This can incentivize word-of-mouth marketing, enhancing your store's credibility and attracting new shoppers. By integrating social proof into your SEO efforts, you'll foster a community of loyal customers and amplify your store's visibility. Ultimately, the journey of optimizing your Shopify store for SEO requires a multifaceted approach, merging technical strategies with a deep understanding of your audience. By crafting a user-centric experience, ensuring your content is relevant, and leveraging data analytics, your store will not only attract traffic but build a reputation as an industry leader. Stay committed to refining your strategies, and you'll discover a thriving online business that resonates with customers, driving sustainable growth and loyalty for years to come. Celebrate every achievement along the way, as each step leads you towards a more successful and recognized Shopify store. Initiating successful traffic generation also involves monitoring your competitors thoroughly. Conduct regular competitor analysis to understand their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. Identify the keywords they rank for, the kind of content they produce, and their social media engagement efforts. This information can reveal gaps in your own approach and inspire innovative ideas for your store. By remaining aware of what others in your niche are doing, you can adapt and refine your strategies, ensuring that your Shopify store stays on the cutting edge. Embrace this competitive intelligence as a valuable component of your ongoing SEO efforts, leading to sustained growth and relevant market positioning. To wrap up this discussion, embracing the full spectrum of SEO strategies will undoubtedly lead to improved traffic, sales, and brand recognition. Each tactic, from understanding your audience to technical optimization and competitor analysis, contributes to your store's success. Remember, the journey of SEO is continuous. Keep learning and adjusting, and your Shopify store will become a trusted name in your industry, attracting new visitors along the way. Enjoy the transformative process as your efforts pave the way for lasting customer relationships and business growth. Establishing a strong online presence also involves actively engaging with your audience through email marketing. Build an email list by offering exclusive discounts or valuable content as an incentive. Send regular newsletters that highlight new products, share blog posts relevant to your niche, and provide special offers. This keeps your brand at the forefront of customers' minds and encourages repeat visits to your store. By personalizing emails based on customer preferences, you'll enhance connections and drive traffic, ultimately contributing to increased sales and a loyal customer base. Stay consistent with your messaging and continue to optimize your campaigns as you track their success through analytics. In addition to these strategies, don't underestimate the power of utilizing visual content effectively. Create engaging videos showcasing your products or offering valuable tutorials related to your niche. Video content can capture attention far better than text alone, allowing you to connect with customers in a dynamic and relatable way. Incorporate these videos into your product pages or share them on social media platforms to expand your reach. As users engage with your visual content, you'll foster a deeper connection with your audience, ultimately driving more traffic to your Shopify store. With consistent effort in this area, you'll enhance your brand's appeal and set yourself apart in a competitive marketplace. As you refine your SEO practices, consider the advantage of active community engagement. Participate in relevant online forums and groups where your target customers gather, offering helpful insights related to your products. This strategy not only enhances your credibility but also positions your brand as a valuable resource. By fostering genuine interactions and sharing your expertise, you'll encourage discussions that can naturally lead back to your Shopify store. Engaging with your audience in this manner will build stronger relationships, generating loyalty and increasing traffic to your site over time. By embracing a comprehensive approach to SEO, you can ensure your Shopify store not only survives but thrives in a competitive landscape. With dedication, patience, and continuous learning, your efforts will culminate in increased visibility, traffic, and customer loyalty, positioning your store as a top destination for shoppers.